Stop hedging at work. Confident English for the boardroom. Welcome. Today we're turning soft, uncertain language into clear, confident leadership. Hedges like maybe or I think can make strong ideas sound tentative. Leaders who speak with direct, respectful wording are easier to trust and follow. Our goal is simple: reduce softeners while keeping politeness. You'll learn practical swaps, stronger verbs, and quick habits that boost credibility without sounding rude. By the end, you'll say the same ideas with sharper edges, so decisions land faster, teams align sooner, and your expertise actually sounds like expertise. First, catch the usual suspects. Common hedge words: maybe, just, kind of, sort of, a bit. They quietly shrink your message. Watch for phrases like I think, I feel, I guess, that delay your point. Notice passive fog, such as it seems or there might be, which hides who's responsible. Example: I think we're kind of behind becomes noise. Clear version: we're behind by 2 days. Train your ear. When a sentence starts to wobble, you've likely stepped into hedge territory. Hedges create doubt. Listeners wonder, are you sure? And your idea loses momentum. They also hide ownership. It seems there were delays, dodges, who will fix them. In high-stakes meetings, hedging wastes time because people probe for clarity you could have given up front. Imagine 2 leaders. One says, maybe we could try a pilot. The other says, we will run a 2-week pilot starting Monday. Which one gets resources? Precision accelerates decisions and signals accountability. Confidence doesn't mean being blunt. Replace apologies with appreciation. Instead of, sorry for the late reply, say, thanks for your patience. Be specific about data in action. The defect rate rose to 4% last week. We'll audit line B today. Use time and numbers to ground claims. We can recover in 3 sprints. Or, this saves 12 hours per release. Polite and precise can coexist, and when they do, your message feels respectful and solid. Verbs carry authority. Swap soft opinion verbs for judgment verbs. I think, right pointing arrow. I judge, I assess, I conclude, especially when you've analyzed evidence. When you're confident, use will or can instead of might or could. We will meet the target. Prefer active voice that shows ownership. We will deliver the report Friday. Not, the report will be delivered Friday. Strong verbs signal that you've done the work and are ready to act. Trim the hedge, keep the sense. Hedge: I think we should. Right pointing arrow: we should. If needed, add support. We should expand support hours based on last month's ticket spikes. Hedge: maybe we could. Right pointing arrow: we can, or let's. Example: we can launch a beta next week with 50 users. Hedge: I'm not sure, but right pointing arrow based on X. We. For instance, based on customer churn data, we'll prioritize onboarding fixes first. State the action, cite the reason, move forward. Stay diplomatic without diluting your point. Use conditional for respectful leadership. We recommend approving option A. It keeps the door open while guiding the decision. Offer rationale with because/so that. Choose A because it reduces costs by 18% so that we hit Q4 targets. Invite input with clear boundaries. I welcome objections before 3 p.m. so we can finalize today. This combination, recommendation, reason, invitation, sounds confident and collaborative. Try this quick drill. 1. Write a Hedge sentence you actually use, like I just wanted to check if maybe you could review this. 2. Underline Hedge words, just, maybe, wanted to, then remove or replace. Please review this today. 3. Say the decisive version out loud twice to build muscle memory. Bonus. Add specifics. Please review this today. We'll incorporate feedback by 4 p.m. Repeat daily with one email line or meeting phrase. Small edits, big authority.